Welcome to ACTV. Today I'm here to show you a new drill I got given as a gift from my lovely children and my beautiful wife as a Father's Day gift, Father's Day present. So I thought I'll share that with you because I was really looking forward to get one of these, and they knew it. So they really did surprise me by getting the money and giving me the money to get one of them, and I really appreciate that. So thank you everyone. Thanks to my lovely children and beautiful wife for this very nice gift. Okay, and it's a Dewalt 18 volt drill, combi drill. Comes with two batteries, 18 volt, 2 amp, two batteries, and charger. So I'm gonna unbox it in front of you and show you what's in it. Okay, it comes in a big black box. Okay, before I go any further, I must tell you that I'm not advertising for Screwfix or Dewalt. I got it from Screwfix. It was on a special offer today, so I picked one up. Okay, it's in a big black box. Once you open it, you got the charger here, the electric charger with UK plug. Okay. And then yeah, so that's your charger. You got the user manual here, which tells you about your guarantee in here. I've got 1 year guarantee from Screwfix, and I'm going to register online on the Dewalt website. Then I'll get a 3 year guarantee as well. So yeah, you got that. You've got the charger. You've got one spare battery here. Okay, so to take the battery off and put it back on, you just need to, well, when you want to take the battery off, you need to press that button here, the black button. Press that, and then the switch off. Okay, and here it is, the Dewalt 18 volt XR combi drill. It looks very nice. I love the look of it, black and yellow. Very good grip. Very good grip in here. Feels lovely. I can't wait to use it. I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, so you got one battery here as well. So you just press that black button there, slide it out, that's it, it's off, and then you can put it on charge. Put it on charge. Excuse me. So put it on charge. What you have to do is line it up upside down like that, and then push it. That's it, that's done. You hear the click, and then you just plug into UK plug. That's it, and then you'll see a red light in here flashing. Once the red light stops flashing, that means it's fully charged. Okay, and take it off the charge. All you have to do, grab it tightly, firmly, hold it firmly, and then just slide it out. Done. So that's your charger. 2 batteries here. 2 batteries. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on now. That's it. You hear the click, and that's done. Okay, let's turn it on. See how it is. And yeah, you got all your LED there as well. A little light. You can use this as a screwdriver and as a normal cordless drill. Yeah, I've only paid £99.99 for this instead of £150. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with it, really happy, and I can't wait to use it. Really looking forward to use it. So there you go. That's it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, and yeah, I must say it is a very nice looking, and Dewalt are very well known brand. So um, I hope because everything goes well. I hope I can use it for next few years. So far so good. I love the look of it. Looks very professional, very nice, and yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and if you do like this video, please give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to ACTV, and please feel free to share it anywhere, social media, any social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. If you want to share my video, any link, just copy and paste it. Yeah, please do share my video and do subscribe to ACTV. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.